we're gonna fly like you did sometime. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn when you stay. Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometime.
You take a paper and start making me. Every step is major. Try to be focusing, and of course it hurts every fault you make, but I know for what it's for my own sake. I'm a paper plane, wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper plane. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore.
Ready, stop. Out the door.
All ups and downs, they are all my wind waves. I am flying through the sky and don't care about the haze. blind. Wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper plane. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to fly, but forgot that I should land? I'm a paper.
Alright, yeah, that's the end of my cleaning video. The only thing I have left to do is take the potato skins here and just throw them away. And then I have to put this can and the cup in the garbage. But I decided to do like a quick thing of showing you guys what we're going to be eating because I'm just going to cut the video short today just because we are going to be cooking dinner. I'm going to just make some green beans. Since it's not summer anymore, we don't grow our own beans, so it kind of sucks that we have to use canned, but that's okay too. At least it's a veggie. We're just going to go ahead and put these in the microwave or on the stove, boil them a little bit, put a little bit of butter in them after we drain most of the water. And then we're just having our potatoes, waiting for it to boil. Actually, just turn it up just a little bit. Okay, and then we're also just going to have some meat. And we're just going to make some beef stew boneless. So, that'd be pretty cool. Okay, yeah, well, that was my cooking video, and I hope you like this. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And, yeah, we will make sure we make more videos for the year of 2019, as we are doing at the end of this year. And now I just want to say bye. Say bye. Bye. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, y'all.